Hello guys, today we are going to discuss how to read a single loop diagram. Okay guys, so as you can see, first here I'll show you. This is our transmitter. This one our control valve. Okay, here this is our controller. Okay, so how to read this diagram guys? Okay, so first, as you could see, this is our transmitter, pneumatic transmitter, and then this one going to our junction box at the field, and then going here, signal going to our controller. So in our controller there is a signal in here. This is for our recorder. Okay, so this one is for the signal. The other one here is the controller output. Controller output going to our control valve. Okay guys, so the signal from the transmitter, this one guys, we have here, we have two alarm. We have high alarm and low alarm, and then this one, the signal will go to alarm cabinet. Okay, so one is for high alarm and one is for low alarm. Then the signal here, the output from the PLC, here in the panel we have the high alarm and then the low alarm. Okay, so this is how to read a single loop diagram. Okay guys, so thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.